I like fruits better than vegetables. But what makes a fruit? Is it because a fruit is sweeter than a vegetable? Well, according to biologyreference.com, fruits are produced only by flowering plants or angiosperm. After pollination of the flower, the fertilized ovule of the plant turns into a seed, and that seed is surrounded by a wall which forms the fruit tissue. So technically, the botanical definition of a fruit is a seed that is surrounded by a fruit tissue or an organ. So what does this mean? It means that technically the red part of a strawberry is not the fruit. The fruit is actually the seeds on the outside. It also means that things that we don't traditionally see as fruit are actually technically fruit. These are things like corn, wheat, and cotton, because they have their seeds encased by an organ. But that distinction is pedantic, because people consider wheat wheat is considered by most, including the government, as a grain. Nonetheless, we see what biologyreference.com distinguishes as the difference between dry and fleshy fruit. Dry fruits refer to fruits where the organ surrounding the seeds is made up of dead tissue. This would include our cotton, wheat, and corn. It also includes other things such as hazelnuts, walnuts, sunflowers, beans, and peas. But these aren't what we traditionally consider as fruit. What do we traditionally? What we traditionally call fruits are the fleshy fruits. Fleshy fruits are where the seed is surrounded by organ tissue that is living. These are the sweet and juicy fruits that we know and love, except for avocados and olives. Those are technically fruits, but they are not sweet. So what about tomatoes? Tomatoes are very debated whether they are a fruit or a vegetable. Click here if you want to take the tomato challenge. Alternatively, if you want to learn about more GMO fruits or organic fruits, click here for GMO and here for organic.